Good morning, Mac. Today is Tuesday, November 8th. This is Michaela and Miss Fletcher. Announcements for today are, tomorrow is the last day to bring in donation items for our winter clothing drive. Unfortunately, we have had to reschedule our Earth Ranger Assembly. Stay tuned and we will let you know more about this.
All right, there is no milk today. We will have milk tomorrow when our new order arrives. Division 2 choir meets today in the gym at 11:30. Please remember your lined order so we can use our time wisely. Here's a reminder to all grades 4, 5, and 6 students who ordered a recorder through the school. Please check School Zone to pay online. Recorder lessons start November 16. Remember to bring your recorder when you come back to school next Wednesday.
Happy birthday to Mason, room 4 a.m., and Nahal, room 7.
All right, Michaela, what falls in the winter but never gets hurt?
I don't really know.
Snow. All right, have a great day, everybody. Stay warm, and if it's inside recess, Ms. Aldak will make an announcement. If you do not hear an announcement, get dressed warm, put on all your outside stuff, and have fun.